I've got a corner brick here that's been knocked out of place, and I need to clean up this brick, and I'm going to have to chisel out this old mortar, grout, whatever you want to call it, and then you can see this looks like there's some glue that'll clean up the surface. I don't think I'm going to remove this. That way everything should be a clean surface. I'm just going to rinse this all off, get that solution off. And this is just fresh water. And then I got to let that stuff dry. I'm going to use an old screwdriver, standard, to scrape off some of that adhesive. So just using a scouring pad into that solution I mixed up. So we got to saturate the area. Get that glue over all the surface. Okay, so I also got the bottom of the brick too. So I'm going to put a thin layer, because if it's too thick, it'll push the brick up too high above the others. So just a thin layer. That's in line. And that's about where that's going to go. All right, time to pour.